Good afternoon, friends. Myself is Rohit Amal Gokate, and today we will discuss on the what is the type of medical coding. So first we will understand what is a medical coding. The medical coding is the transformations of a medical healthcare diagnosis, procedure, medical services, and equipments into the universal alphanumerical code, in which the medical coding we will give a specific or universal alphanumerical code to the healthcare diagnosis, procedures that involves in our healthcare diagnosis, then equipment, medical services. Means we will use the our health related things to get in alphanumerical code, that is called as the medical coding. So there are the various type of the medical coding. So first we will see the what is the type of the medical coding, that is the ICD, CPT and SCPCS. The ICD is stand for the International Classification of Drugs, CPT is stand for the current procedure terminologies, and third SCPCS is stand for the healthcare common procedure coding system. So there are the various type of main coding system, that is the ICD-10 CM, means the International Classification of Disease 10th. CM is stand for the clinical modification. So for clinical modification for a diagnosis, then second is the CPT. CPT is stand for the current procedure terminologies for the procedure. That are two coding systems which commonly used. So first we will see the what is the ICD-10 CM. The ICD-10 CM is given by the World Health Organization, and this code have a 5 to 7 characters of the alphanumerical code. Means this coding system is contain 5 to 7 characters in that code. So it is a coding system is used to classify the code diagnosis in healthcare. It provides a standardized way to document the disease conditions and injury for the statistical and analytical purposes, in which ICD-10 CM we will give the code for the diseases, injuries and for the statistical and analytical purposes, that is called the ICD-10 CM. Second is the CPT. CPT is stand for the current procedure terminologies. That a current procedure terminologies is the coding system which developed by a American Medical Association. Means this coding system is used by a AMA, American Medical Association, for which purpose? For documenting the medical procedure, surgeries and services, and widely used for the billing and reporting the medical sources, in which this coding system is used to documented that various type of services. Then third is the SCPCS. Means the SCPCS stand for the Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System. Is a coding system is used for a describe healthcare procedures and services are not covered by the CPT. It includes a code for the medical supplies, equipment, services and provide a medical beneficiaries. Means this coding system is used for the purposes means means those coding system means those services and healthcare services which cannot covered by the CPT. Then these medical services is covered by the SCPCS coding. Means those services which cannot covered by a CPT, then that services is used the code by a SCPCS. Then a second coding system, that is the EM code. So the EM code is stand for the evaluation and the management. The code are used to report the services provided by a healthcare professionals and a patients, assessment, management and a care contribution. Means the EM system is an evaluation and management. This system is focuses for the management and the evaluations and used for the reporting services we use for the reporting services, that is the healthcare professionals, patients, assessment, management, and care contributions. There, so there, that are the various type of the coding system. Thank you.